Ladies and gentlemen, the dollar is making another run to the downside here against all the major currencies. Let's take a look at some of the major charts. Taking a look at the euro versus US dollar, two things. One, the price is getting above the swing high. That swing level, that level is defined by this this low right here and this high right here. Breaking above that level, 1.1184. We're currently trading at 1.1192 at the moment. The price is also on the weekly chart, moving above its 200-week moving average at 1.11805. Seems like we're trying to make a breakout in the euro versus US dollar. Let the buyers continue that run in the upward direction. Taking a look at the dollar versus yen. If we look at this, the current price is trading at 138.23. That is right around the 38.2% retracement of the move up from the low price from 2023 to the high price from 2023. We need to get and stay below that level to give the buyers or the sellers the advantage. We also are moving into this swing area between 137.49 and 138.13, or we did. We need to get, there's lots of stuff down here in the dollar versus yen, but the sellers are trying to make play. The pair is still relatively steady compared to some of the other currency pairs. Let's take a look at this sterling versus US dollar, and we look at the weekly chart in this. We broke above the 200-week moving average earlier this week, and we're moving up toward a swing area between 130, 133, 130, 185 on the daily chart. This is what it looks like. We broke above this area right through here, as well at 129.50 up to 130, the natural level at 130. Getting below this area is what is needed for the sellers to take more control. If they can't do that, then the buyers remain in control in the sterling versus US dollar. Dollar versus Swiss franc on the daily chart. Looking at it, let's go to the weekly chart. Can't see it here. We are breaking to the lowest level, going all the way back to January of 2015 here for the dollar versus Swiss. Big move to the downside here in the week. Broke below the low price from 2021 at 0.87568, and looking more and more bearish for the dollar versus Swiss, sort of in a nowhere's land here, as the price enters this area right through here where the dollar was on a free fall versus that currency pair. Take a look at the dollar versus Canada next, and we are trading near the low price from the month of June. That level came in at 131.157. We were also breaking a little bit below the 50% retracement of the move up from this low right here to this high right here. This trend move that comes in at 130, 132, stay below the 130, 132 now in the short term, keeps the sellers firmly in control. As you can see, we're trying to make a break in the dollar versus Canada. The Aussie versus US dollar on the daily chart, we are up, testing the 61.8% retracement of the move down from the 2023 high to the 2023 low. That level comes in at 0.68899. Above that level is the high price for the month of June, which reached up to a 0.6899. Let's call it 0.69. So key area between 0.6889 and 0.69 in the Aussie versus US dollar is tested finally. Take a look at the New Zealand versus US dollar, and it too is testing a key swing area here, going all the way back to the month of February, where we had a number of different swing highs coming in play up here between the 0.6363 level and the 0.6389 level. All these different highs came into that area and stalled. I mean, as you can see, we actually moved just above that level here in trading here today, but backing off a little bit. So we'll be watching this, but certainly the New Zealand versus US dollar is looking more bullish. If traders looking for more upside would have to get below the 0.6363 level to increase the bearish bias in the short term for this currency pair. So there you have it. The dollar's moving lower. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.